Good evening, everyone. If there is one human organ associated with more myths than facts, it's the womb. Did you know hysteria is the first mental disorder ever attributed to women and only women? And it originates from Greek word for uterus, hystera. In ancient Greece, women who complained about terrible tummy pain were called hysterical or possessed by demons. And doctors actually hung them upside down to cure them. Well, they thought that was the best way to make the womb to behave, apparently. Yeah, anyways. But we don't believe these ridiculous myths anymore, do we? Not in their entirety, no. But some ideas do linger around. 29% of New Zealand girls suffer from menstrual symptoms and pain that makes them miss school without seeking any help. Women are often told or conditioned to believe that painful periods are just normal and it's all in our head. But what exactly is normal? Do we even know that? I'm studying about the very tissue responsible for these myths, trying to shed some light into its biology. It's the innermost lining of our womb, called the endometrium. It's the only tissue in our body that grows in anticipation of receiving an embryo and sheds itself in absence of pregnancy every month. For my master's, I'm studying how these changes are regulated each month. And how am I exactly doing this? You see, each cell in our body contains the same set of instructions in form of DNA strands. These DNA strands are wrapped around histone proteins. Both the structure of DNA and histones can be chemically modified, which changes their conformation and in turn allows or stops gene expression, hence switching the genes on and off. This determines their cellular functions. I'm studying about one kind of chemical modification that works on histones, called histone acetylation. Addition of an acetyl group, shown there as yellow dots, to histone opens the DNA structure and switches the genes on, while removal of acetyl group closes the structure and switches the genes off. Studying about these chemical tags in normal endometrium will help us understand how these changes are regulated each month during menstrual cycle. Since these chemical tags are reversible, this study would ultimately allow us to change the endometrial environment and develop therapeutic measures to understand the unexplained menstrual disorders like uterine cancer, infertility, painful periods, and even endometriosis. Thank you, everybody.